So, hi everyone. This is Kangs again. Now I'll be flying from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi all the way to Addis Ababa, and I'll be flying with Ethiopia Air. I'm already done with the check-in and everything. You know, in Kenya there's a long process. There's dogs sniffing the luggages for security check. So I didn't record all these up to check-in and immigration. Anyway, I'm done with it, and on the way to my gate.
I think I've left because I put my luggage there at the checkpoint. So was I supposed to pick it again, or I just found it?
You will find it in your final destination. Which is your final destination?
Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Yeah.
So what you'll keep, you see these ones? These are called luggage tags. Okay. You have one bag, right?
Yeah, one bag.
So keep this one safe. You can take a picture of it.
Yeah.
In case of anything, this is the one that you can use to track it.
Track.
Yeah.
What's your destination?
Muscat, Oman.
That was one of the passenger. We'll be flying the same aircraft. So I think it is his first time to fly. So he was worried about his luggage because, of course, he dropped the luggage at the check-in counter. So he's worried if he will find his luggage. But anyway, I explained to him, once you drop your luggage at the check-in counter, as long as you are not doing a self-transfer, so once you check in your luggage, you'll find it on your final destination. So what I was explaining to him, once you do your check-in, they usually give you the bag tags or the luggage tags. So basically I was telling him it's important to keep those in case you lose your luggage or you don't find your luggage on your final destination. The tags on your boarding pass at the back, you can use that to claim your luggage or to track your luggage, or in case of damage or anything, it's important usually to keep those whatever. A small history about this giraffe. It's made out of waste sleepers that are collected from the sea, mostly in Mombasa. When they are cleaning the ocean, they collect all these things and they recycle them, and they made the whatever beautiful giraffe you saw there. So yeah, here I am at my gate. So yeah, I think my gate is here. So what I'm gonna do is to board, and then to enter the boarding gate once because it's open. Now I'm at the boarding gate, and there's no much activity, just chilling out, looking out the windows, enjoying the activities on the air side. It's one of the best views. Before you catch up your flight, you enjoy looking at the air side, the operations, whatever is going on. You can see there's one KQ. I believe it's Embraer. Is it not 145? It should be 195. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. And this is the aircraft that we'll be flying in. It's Ethiopia Air, the 787 Dreamliner. So as time goes by, I noticed something over there. Yeah, that's a B757 Nat Geo. It's an aircraft that I know. I have a good memories with it. Yeah, I'll not go into it. And a nice smooth pushback. Kenya Airways, that 737 pushback. These are some of the things that I really enjoy as I wait for my flight. Yes, as an aviator, I enjoy this a lot. Like when I'm looking at that pushback, wow, look how smooth it is. Yeah, and I must say Kenya Airways, it's one of the best looking aircraft. The colors, everything beautiful. So all is done, and now it's time to board. our beautiful 787. The aircraft is full, like 100% capacity. So the queue was long, and yes, I boarded, and I got a window seat. You can see there's a 330. That's a wet list for Kenya Airways. It's a Airbus 330. It's from somewhere in Europe. And more pushbacks and towings. It's a beautiful view before everyone settled down and aircraft have the clearance for pushback. So just enjoying my window seat, and my 757 is there. National Geographics. So everything is done. We had our pushback, and now we started taxiing. It was a smooth taxi. There is a 777 there from Qatar Airways, and yeah, now almost getting to the final holding point for our takeoff. Yeah, and now we are on the runway, and before you even know, airborne. We are airborne right now, so you can see the view from my window. I was just next to the engine, and had that beautiful view from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. All that bare land, there's nothing. That's where the border of the airport land ends, and now that the settlements. That's like now from the residential area. Once you leave the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, security areas. So I had a good view as we were climbing slowly by slowly. Could see how Kenya is well organized from the air. It's very well divided. I mean, when you're on the ground, you don't see this, but when you are from the sky, you can see all the roads and everything. Nice view, Everything is well divided. So I enjoyed the view before we got to our cruising altitude. That is on the clouds. It was so cloudy, so you couldn't see down anymore. As we waited for something to eat, and there was something interesting on this aircraft. If you ask any Kenyan, they'll tell you. I was surprised because yes, we were served with getheri. Yeah, that's the getheri. Ethiopia Air. It was a starter, getheri. It's basically beans and corns, and it was okay. As a typical Kenyan, getheri is always nice. We like it. And after that, I had rice with chicken, and it was a short flight, 1 hour and a half. So by this time we were short final, approaching Addis Ababa. Almost at the end of the journey, and we had a very, very, very smooth touchdown. And yeah, that was the end of my flight. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next video. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Till next time, I'm in Addis Ababa. Thank you so much, and goodbye. See you on the next video.